Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Angelica Taylor if you're new. So I decided that I'm gonna come back and do a little like cute summery look with a little bit of a twist to it for you guys. So yeah, and I'm also doing a giveaway, a lash giveaway. So yeah, if you want to know how you can enter my giveaway or what is all in it, just keep watching, and at the end of the video I'll tell you. So let's just get into it. So as you can see, I already did one eye off camera. I haven't smoked out the bottom of my lash line yet, but I usually do that after I finish my face anyway. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and do this eye on camera. So I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyelids with the Bye Bye Under Eye by It's Cosmetic. Ooh, I don't know if it's gonna show. Yeah, I think that's as good as it's gonna get. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and prime my eyes with that. And now I'm just gonna kind of blend it out with the sponge. And just to get that sharp look, I'm gonna go ahead and use some Scotch tape. So now I'm just gonna take my Juvia's Place palette, the Zulu palette, and I'm gonna use the yellow shade, and I'm literally gonna place that all over my eyelid. And I'm just gonna use like this angle like blending brush. This is the BH Cosmetic brush, and it's the number 28. It came in like a silver set. Okay, so now that I'm done with that, I'm gonna go ahead and take some concealer, and I'm gonna go ahead and take the Bye Bye for Under Eye concealer by It. I'm gonna take that, and I'm gonna take a little lip brush like this, and this is the BH Cosmetics lip brush 15. It came in the same set as the brush that I used to put the yellow eyeshadow on my lid. So I'm just gonna use this to create a wing liner, but I'm gonna use the concealer instead. Now that I've done that, I'm gonna take another lip brush, and this one's kind of like raggedy or whatever, but it's okay. I'm just gonna place some glitter glue. I'm gonna place the NYX glitter glue, or glitter primer. It's still glitter glue, and just place it right on the concealed area. So now again, I'm gonna take another little bitty lip brush. This is from the same BH Cosmetics set as the other two brushes that I used. This is in the number 11. And I'm gonna take some purple glitter from NYX. These colors, kind of hard to see, but yeah, this color. It's called Violet. And I just kind of leave it in the glitter lid itself and just make it like pile up. And I'm just gonna dip that and put it on the glued area. Okay, so now that we've gotten the glitter on, the light seems so bright with all this glitter on mine. Okay, so now that we've gotten the glitter on, I'm gonna go ahead and take my Vivid Bright eyeliner from NYX in the color Vivid Petal, and I'm just gonna outline the top of the glitter with it. Okay, I'm just gonna take the tape off now. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and take this little squared brush and add some highlighter to my brow bone. And I'm gonna first take the Anastasia Glow Kit, the Sun Dipped one. And you already know I'm gonna dip into Summer. I'm gonna place that up there first. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take it's my Ray Ray's palette, and yes, it is busted up because I'm always reaching for this palette. Remember, once I hit 100 subscribers, I'm gonna be giving this and the set of brushes and the lipsticks away. Like, I'm gonna give this whole entire collection away to one of my subscribers. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and dip into Radiant, and this is the highlighter. It's a highlighter shade, and I'm just gonna go ahead and place that on top of Summer. And I kind of feel like it, like I kind of bring it too low, so I'm gonna go ahead and take the brush that I used to pack the yellow on and just kind of blend the yellow back into it a little bit. So now I'm gonna apply my lashes, and I'm applying the Your Lash Bar lashes in Blue Hawaiian, and these come from their Summer 2018 collection. So yeah, I'm just gonna place these on my eyelid, or on my lashes. I'm somewhat finished with the eyes since I've applied my lashes. I'm gonna go ahead and do my face. So I've already primed my face, as well as, like, I forgot to mention that I did my eyebrows also off camera. I did film a brow tutorial, so if you guys would want me to like post that, or you know, if you don't want to, it's fine, but I did record one, so if that's something you'd like to see, let me know in the comment box down below. But yeah, so I did use the Maybelline, or the Baby Skin by Maybelline, and I did spray my face with the MAC Fix Plus. So yeah, that's what I primed my face with. So I'm going to be using the I'm gonna be using the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. That I'm done with that part, I'm gonna go ahead and smoke out my lower lash line. I'm just gonna go ahead and take this pink shade here. I'm also gonna take the purple shade from the Zulu palette, and I'm also gonna use this shade to smoke out my lash line as well. I'm just gonna place this closer to my lower lash line. I'm gonna go ahead and add some mascara to my lower lash line, and I'm just gonna go ahead and use the same mascara that I use for my top lashes, for my bottom lashes. This is, again, the Bad Girl Bang by Benefit. I'm gonna go ahead and set my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. Yes, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Add an highlighter now that I've set my face and stuff. But I picked up this Sephora contouring blush kit, and it's really pretty. Like, I feel like this is something that you need for like your summer makeup. So I'll probably do like a summery vibe, like makeup, bronzy makeup look soon using this palette. Like, it's so pretty, the colors are so pretty. Yeah, so I'm gonna take this for some what is it called? Oh yeah, highlighter. I'm gonna take this palette. I'm gonna actually take this shade right here as a highlighter, and it's like super pretty. I used this once. I picked this up the same time I picked up the Born This Way foundation. So yeah, I saw Simone Soto use this palette, and I was just like, I definitely have to have it. Like, just look at this orange shade right here. I used it the other day as blush, and it was so beautiful. And like, like this, like a C, but do you see how pretty it is? Like, it's like a really like gold color, but you know, it's not like the Fenty Beauty gold. Like I feel like the Fenty Beauty one is more like yellow. This is more like, I don't know, just like gold. gold. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some lip liner and lipstick, and I'm just gonna go ahead and use my Honey by Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's the matte lipstick, but it's in the shade Honey, and I'm gonna go ahead and use my MAC lip liner in Cork. So yeah. Okay guys, so that is the end of this tutorial. So some things real quick before you decide to get off this video. I do want to do a giveaway on some of these lashes, and it's not only these lashes, but if you don't know, you're gonna find out now that your Lash Bar, like I said before, they have a summer collection of lashes, and I think it's like 5 or 6 pair of lashes. So I ordered a set for me, and I decided why not order a set for someone else. But also I did get featured on their page, and that was my first feature, and I was super excited. If you follow me on my Snapchat, then you know how excited I was. But yeah, so I want to do a giveaway to you guys. I wanted to give you guys a chance to get your hands on some of them, like if you can afford them. Well, I mean, there shouldn't be a reason anyone shouldn't afford them. Like, they're really affordable. I think that's like her whole like thing around it, is that they're affordable, high quality lashes. So yeah, but I decided that maybe if you haven't tried them, you can give them a chance. And yeah, so, and tell me how you like it. But how you could enter my giveaway is basically, okay, so you must be a subscriber, 1, that's very important, and 2, you must follow me on Instagram, and 3, basically all you have to do is comment done and your Instagram @name under this video, and yeah, when you're finished, and that's basically it. So good luck. I really want to give it to a supporter who's just been like super supportive. They really like respond to everything that I do and I ask like on my social medias. So let me just kind of show you the collection also. So this is the box that I ordered. This cost $45. It came with a card of telling you how you can take care of your lashes from your Lash Bar. It also came with the card with the styles on it, and it also came with like a little personal note, of course. This was the PR box that you could buy that she had available when she launched her lashes, but also like, this is basically the box that they got in PR. I'm not on a PR list. I just bought the box with my own money. So yeah, it comes with all the lashes in there. There's an empty box in there because of course these are the lashes that I use. So that's really what the box looks like. Since I bought another box, which I think is kind of dumb on my part because the card in there, that's a personal note, came in my name. So you probably won't get the box, but you'll get all the cards in there and all the lashes, and you'll get a personal note from me. So I guess that will be fun and cool. So yeah, that's all you have to do to enter the giveaway. So I guess I need to stop rambling because I feel like I just rambled so much. But yeah, so thank you for watching. This is a look, and if you liked it, please give me a thumbs up and comment down below anything, and make sure you comment done after you follow me on Instagram. My Instagram or all my social medias will be in the description box below. So yeah. So thank you for watching. I hope you like this look. Mwah.